Are you one of the 3 waves of volunteers here to help uplift and save humanity? Perhaps you are, as there was no accident in your landing on this video. So, let's explore deeper the topic of the 3 waves of volunteers as shared through the research of Dolores Cannon and the content she uncovered through countless hypnosis sessions she did with her many clients. Dolores Cannon was a woman who dedicated her life to helping people heal through a process called QHHT, or quantum healing hypnosis technique. Through this process, she uncovered the mysteries of human consciousness. As a pioneer in the field of past life regression, her work has touched countless lives, leading many to question the nature of our existence and purpose. And one of her most intriguing discoveries? The concept of the 3 waves of volunteers, individuals who have chosen to incarnate on Earth during this pivotal time to assist in its transformation. So, are you ready to dive into this mystery, to explore the depths of Dolores Cannon's teachings, and perhaps discover a new perspective on your own purpose? And so begins our journey into the fascinating world of the 3 waves of volunteers. The first wave of volunteers, according to Dolores Cannon, began to arrive after the atomic bomb was dropped. This was a time of great change and upheaval, and these brave souls stepped into a world that was struggling to find balance again. Now, these first-wave volunteers, they're not always easy to spot, but once you know what to look for, they're hard to miss. They often feel a deep, inexplicable sense of not belonging, as if they've been dropped off on the wrong planet. This sense of alienation can lead to feelings of depression and loneliness, but it's not just about the struggles they face, it's also about their mission. These pioneers of the spirit came to shake things up, to challenge the status quo, and to push humanity towards a higher state of consciousness. They're often found in professions that allow them to make a significant impact on the world. Think teachers, healers, counselors, and artists. They're the ones who dare to dream of a better world, and who have the courage to make those dreams a reality. But it's not all about what they do, it's also about who they are. The first wave volunteers are marked by their unique traits. They're often highly sensitive and empathetic, picking up on the emotions and energies of those around them. They also have a strong sense of justice and fairness, and a deep desire to make the world a better place. Despite the challenges they face, these first-wave volunteers have an important role to play. They're the ones who are paving the way for the waves to come, setting the stage for a new era of human consciousness. The journey of the first-wave volunteer is not an easy one. They carry the weight of the world on their shoulders, and they often feel misunderstood and alone. But their struggles are not in vain. They're here for a reason, and their work is making a difference. The first wave of volunteers had a challenging journey, but their role was pivotal in setting the stage for what was to come. The second wave of volunteers, often called the channelers, came with a different mission. Now imagine a wave not of water but of pure pulsating energy. This energy doesn't crash and recede, but instead it flows steadily, permeating everything it touches. This is the essence of the second wave. These individuals, often born between the late 50s and the 70s, brought with them a powerful energy that would serve as a catalyst for change. Unlike the first wave, these volunteers didn't have to endure the harsh trials of societal transformation. Their purpose was different, yet equally vital. They are the channelers, the connectors, the bridges between the old world and the new. They carry within them a strong sense of purpose, a drive to create positive change and to uplift those around them. One of the unique traits of the second wave is their ability to channel energy. This is not about mystical powers or supernatural abilities. Instead, it's about being able to tap into the energy around them, to sense the ebb and flow of the universe's life force. They are empaths, healers, and guides, helping others to navigate their own spiritual journeys. The struggles of the second wave are more subtle yet no less challenging. Many of them grapple with feelings of not fitting in, of being different. They may struggle with the materialistic focus of society, feeling a deeper calling to spiritual pursuits. Some may even feel overwhelmed by the sheer intensity of the energies they channel. Yet despite these challenges, the second wave continues to fulfill their mission. They are the ones who are steadily raising the vibration of the planet, bringing in new ideas and inspiring others to seek a higher purpose. They are the ones who are quietly, yet persistently, changing the world from the inside out. As we move forward, the influence of the second wave becomes more evident. They are the ones who are paving the way for the third wave, preparing the world for an even greater shift in consciousness. The second wave of volunteers brought with them a new energy that would help to further raise the consciousness of humanity. The third wave of volunteers, the new children, are here now and they are ready to make a difference. These special beings, often referred to as the crystal or star children, are the most recent arrivals to our world. They are the youngest among us, yet they possess wisdom and understanding far beyond their tender years. Their abilities are astounding, many of them exhibiting remarkable talents from a young age. They are gifted in the arts, sciences, and other areas, sometimes displaying skills that seem almost supernatural. These children are often highly intuitive, empathetic, and spiritually attuned. They can sense the energies and emotions of others with startling accuracy, and their deep compassion for all life is a hallmark of their presence. Their purpose? It's nothing short of monumental. They are here to shake up the status quo and usher in a new era of consciousness and understanding. They are not content to simply accept the world as it is. They question, they challenge, they inspire. They are catalysts for change, driving us toward a brighter, more enlightened future. What makes them unique? In essence, everything. These children are not bound by the limitations of traditional thinking. They view the world through a different lens, one that sees the interconnectedness of all things and recognizes the inherent worth of every living being. They are not afraid to stand up for what they believe in, even when it goes against the grain. They are also exceptionally resilient, able to navigate the complexities of our modern world with grace and aplomb. Despite their youthful age, they carry a sense of purpose and understanding that is truly inspiring. They are not deterred by the challenges they face, but rather, they rise to meet them head-on. The third wave of volunteers is not just here to change the world. They are here to transform it, to elevate it, to infuse it with love and light. They are the harbingers of a new age, the architects of a new earth, and they are ready. They are more than ready. The third wave of volunteers is here to bring about the major changes that are necessary for the new earth. Dolores Cannon spoke of a new earth that these volunteers are helping to create. What exactly did Dolores mean by this new earth? It's not a new planet in the physical sense, but rather a profound shift in our collective consciousness. It's about a change in how we perceive our world and our place within it. The new earth signifies a departure from an old paradigm that has been dominated by fear, division, and scarcity. Instead, we're moving towards a new era defined by unity, compassion, and abundance. The new earth is not about creating a utopia but about realizing our potential as spiritual beings having a human experience. Dolores believed that the volunteers, those souls who have willingly chosen to incarnate here at this time, are helping to facilitate this shift. They are the catalysts for change, the ones who are challenging old systems and beliefs, and ushering in new ways of thinking and being. In this new earth, society as we know it undergoes a metamorphosis. There's a shift from competition to cooperation, from exploitation to stewardship, from fear to love. We start to recognize our interconnectedness and learn to honor and respect all life forms. The vision for this future is grand, yet achievable. It's a world where we live in harmony with nature, where technology serves us rather than controls us, where wisdom is valued over knowledge, and where the well-being of the collective is prioritized over individual gain. But remember, this new earth isn't a destination. It's a journey, a process of evolution and growth. It's about becoming more conscious, more aware, more loving. And most importantly, it's about realizing that we are not separate, but one with the universe. As we continue on this journey, let's remind ourselves of Dolores's words. We are living in the most important time in the history of the universe. Every thought, every action, every choice we make is contributing to the creation of this new earth. The new earth is not a physical place but a state of being, a state of consciousness that we are all moving towards. So, are you one of the three waves of volunteers? Which wave resonates with you the most? We've embarked on an intriguing journey today, delving into the insightful teachings of Dolores Cannon and the concept of the three waves of volunteers. The first wave, brave souls who paved the way for the others. The second wave, working as antennae of energy, spreading positivity. And the third wave, the children, who are here to bring about the final stages of transformation. Each wave, with its unique mission, contributes to the collective evolution of humanity and the creation of the new earth. This new earth, a higher vibrational world, is a testament to the power of collective consciousness and love. The transformation we're part of is not just about us, but about the entire universe. So, share your thoughts on the new earth and the three waves of volunteers in the comments below. Remember, we are living in the most important time in the history of the universe.